My name is Michelle, and the scent in this room has to be my favorite. As soon as I walked in, it smelled super airy, clean, and just inviting. I absolutely love the air quality room, aka the jungle room. It smells like lemongrass and sage, and those are my absolute favorite scents. I cannot get over it, how fresh it smells in here.
So I think that the scents add such a level of intimacy to all of the rooms in IKEA, Sleepeasy. Specifically in this like cloud dream room, I took the 2 deep breaths and I immediately felt relaxed. Yeah.
That's how you want to be like.
Exactly.
It's clean, it's crisp, it's refreshing, and it's perfect for a busy event like this.
Smelling the different scents in this IKEA event were really great. I really noticed the floral smells and the ocean smells depending on the different rooms.
The room with the blankets, that's my favorite. That scent, I'm just like, wait, I can actually fall asleep in this scent. Even though I can sleep in any environment, that scent, I need in a bottle now.
Every room is so different, and I feel like the different vibes, the different lights, the different colors, they can really create a whole different vibe, and I feel like the scent really enhances it, because this room here has such a calming aura and a calming scent, but then the room past there, it has like a bright purpley look, and the scent is really different, and it's a lot more bold and vibrant, so I feel like the scents just add to the whole immersive experience, and there's just so much going on and so much to see and do that the scents just make it so much more fun.
I like when a scent can calm you down.
Yes, and this one definitely, it's its own environment too, which is really good, and it's like, it feels like its own entity in a sense too.
After that crazy New York weather, crazy New York atmosphere, I mean, I love New York, but also like the commute here is crazy, you know, and then you come in and you're absolutely in a different scenario, and I think smell has a lot to do about it.
You have it, IKEA, Sleepeasy.
Thank you!